Today's video is Vlogmas Day 2 video, and in today I will be making cinnamon roll Christmas trees. And I know you're looking at me like, what in the world? So this ingredient here I found off of, I can't remember if it was Pinterest or Lemon 8, but whatever it is, I will try to link it down below if I can find it again for you. But yeah, it's a simple little treat that you can make with your family, especially for the little ones around this time of the year. So yeah, I just want to share that with you all for Vlogmas Day 2. So if you're ready, let's head on over and start making these treats for you. All right, y'all, so let's get started. I got my baking sheet pan here, and I forget what size it is. I think it's like a 16 by 12 or something like that, but it's pretty large. And then you have your pan spray, and you're just gonna spray it all over your pan to get it coated so the cinnamon rolls won't stick. And then after that, I will break open the cinnamon rolls and begin to mold them the best way that I can. So yeah, let's get into it. So, what is everyone's plans for the holidays with Christmas coming up? Do you plan on doing a lot of baking with your family, or do you just plan on like watching movies, having a particular like movie night for your favorite Christmas movie, or have you even started Christmas shopping yet? And that answer right there for me is no, I have not. And I'm getting worse every year. I normally used to start early, but these past couple years I've been last minute shopping. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what is going on with you and your family for the holidays. So right here, you're just gonna take the dough and then start like kind of making like S lines or the shape of a snake. I started out with pointing it at first, and then when I got ready to change positions of the camera so I can give y'all a close up, I changed it up a little bit. And by me doing that, it turned out pretty good. So basically you just want to just make squiggly lines and put them close together, so once they bake up, they will form in somewhat of a tree shape. So when you get ready to decorate it, it will all make sense when it comes together.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
So once I am done molding my dough, I will set my oven to 350, place the pan inside, and then turn on my timer for 8 minutes. And then once that is done, I will show you how they have turned out, and we can start decorating it. And once I start decorating, you don't necessarily have to use the same type of things that I use to decorate mine with. You can use whatever it is that you like.
I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
So right here I'm about to put the icing in the microwave for like 8 seconds. That way I'm able to drizzle it over the cinnamon rolls easily and then spread it with the butter knife. right, y'all, that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and this was super fun to do. This was my first time doing it, and I think they turned out pretty great. Yeah, so if you missed it, this is how they look. Let me pick one up for you. And I probably should use a stick like she did, but it still turned out great. Oh, my star fell off. But yeah, you get the good picture here. Yeah, make cute little cinnamon roll Christmas trees for you and your family or your little ones, or even if you have a family night. It's a tradition where you and family get together and y'all dress up in different, each family member have on their different pajamas for Christmas, and you do activities. This could be a great activity for you all to do that night, or even just some night you plan on having different baking activities with your kids, especially little ones who love to bake cookies for Santa. Maybe this year they can make cinnamon Christmas trees. That's different. That's something different to start up or have a new tradition for your family. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead, give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I post videos for this Vlogmas year. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.